Turning the machine on now. Switch not coming on. There it goes. Stuck. This has been cleaned by a damp rag every day. No abrasives, no direct water. Not working. Try and switch it back on. Motor's humming. No movement. Try it one more time. Sometimes you can kind of goose it into working, but generally rolls occasionally, but then stays stuck.